Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss what is the alternative App Store iOS 17.4. So basically iPhone has come up with the iOS 17.4 update, and in this update they have provided with a new feature as alternative App Store. So they have provided as the new App Store market that will connect the European market, and they have introduced iOS 17.4 new capability that let marquee developers build and distribute marketplace iOS apps as part of alternative app marketplace in European Union. So these apps can install and support software on devices, access data across a catalog of apps, manage users, purchases, subscription, and more. Basically, a marketplace app must meet a notarization requirement like all iOS apps and can only be installed from the marketplace developer website, which means you can install apps from marketplace developer website for the iPhone and iOS devices. Moreover, operating an alternative marketplace requires significantly responsibility and oversight of the user experience, which means if you want to build an alternative marketplace app, then you have to provide all the details and take the responsibility of user experience, including content guidelines and moderation process, anti-fraud measures, and all the details. So basically, this is all about the iOS 17.4 alternative app store, which means now iPhone has provided apps market developers that they can now provide apps to the iPhone and iOS device, but they have to take responsibility about all the security measures and moderation and updates of the app. So this is all about the iOS 17 alternatives iOS 17.4. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.